slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Southwest. Thunderstorm warning for southern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, east central Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Santee State Park, or 20 miles southwest of Manning, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Somerton, Ellery, Santee State Park, Santee Cooper Regional Airport, Santee, Utoville, Vance, St. Paul, Rocks Pond Campground and Marina, Foreston, Utah Springs, Indian Bluff Recreation Park, Davis Station, Blount's Landing, and Mill Creek Marina and Campground. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 92 and 111. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorms can produce large capsizing waves and frequent lightning. If on or near Lake Marion, move away from the water and take shelter. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for